Hello, my name is Daniel, and this is week 12 assignment using Xamarin Forms. To start, I just added two notes just for tests, and I'm gonna hit the add button and make another entry like this is my third entry. I'm gonna save, and here we go. We have the about, can learn more, and I think that I can also delete. And as you can see, yeah, I hit save, goes back, can delete, and I think that's pretty much it. I have the about page as shown before, notes, and I can do all the necessary actions. Thank you so much for watching.